going to add this in my tutorial on how to clone yourself with Windows Movie Maker Vista. This is the unknown challenge that no one knows how to do yet. A lot of people do, but this is how I do it. Pretty easy, simple. All you have to do is go to, this one, Microsoft Windows Movie Maker 2.6. Download it. I'm not going to download it because I've already done it, but download it. Sorry, this is fuzzy, but do that. Don't do what I just did then, get into that. Okay. Then press minimize, or just get out of it, whatever you want to do after you've downloaded it. Go into rehan.fx.org. I'll give you the description I'll give you the link with the description with both on the thing. Go to split video. Sorry, you can't read that, but go to split video. Go to download Rehan split. Go to save. Go to desktop. You want to save this to your desktop. Press yes. Okay. When it's done, you do not run it or open folder. Close it. Or Rehan split. Get into that. Run this. Don't extract. Whatever you do, go into that. Go into Vista C hard drive. Go to program files. Go to press M and just keep pressing M. Until you get to Movie Maker 2.6, the one we just downloaded. Go to shared, and then damn it, you might not have made add-on TFX thing, but you must make that in order to do this. You might have one, but just do that. Extract, but I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it. But extract. Now you have your two films. Alright, get them and mesh them together as much as you can without it going lapping. Now you've done that, go to view video transitions. Sorry, this is fuzzy. Go all the way down until you just keep going down until you get to vertical soft. You can use that, or you can use split vertical. But split vertical soft is better because you've got the ability to make it so it's faded in the middle, so you can't see a big line. Okay, now play it. Damn it, for some reason this happens every time you do it the wrong way. Turn this around, put that on in front of that. Drag it, put it in front of that. Mesh it together again. Do this again, vertical soft, or whatever you want to do. Now take start, play, and now you have your two people, which is me, waving to myself, as a clone in Windows Movie Maker on Vista. Now, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Any questions, just ask me, and that's all. Alright, see ya.